Let me quickly show you how you can easily lose weight without exercise by using these simple recipes I'm about to show you. So now let's go. Here we have 4 eggs. I'm using white eggs. If you have brown eggs, it's fine. We will start by boiling our eggs. Here I have 1 piece of tuna fish. It's baked tuna. If you have the canned tuna, it's fine. We are going to remove the bone from the tuna and mash it with a spoon for it to be into small pieces. You can see I'm using forks to mash it, so you have to mash it. This is how we want it to look like. Let it be like tuna in the can. Here we have some parsley. Egg is ready. We are going to peel. We are going to separate the yolk from the white. We need some healthy fat from the yolk, so I'm going to use one of the yolk, but it's optional. You can use it all with the yolk, but for this recipe I'm going to use one of the yolk to mix it. Into the tuna, let's add some salt. Let's add some chia seeds, white pepper, black pepper, parsley, a little bit of olive oil, mustard. We now mix everything together. Let's add in the boiled eggs and mix it together. After mixing everything together, this is what we have. Here I have organic rice cakes. We are going to use it to eat the egg because it's healthy. You can find it in the grocery. Just ask for rice cakes. You are the first person to try, so I'm putting this one for you. Our first recipe is ready. So simple. So now let's move into the next recipe. If you have enjoyed this video up till now, I want to use this moment to say thank you for clicking on this video. If today is your first time, you're welcome. To my old subscribers, you are amazing. Please don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends and family, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video, please. When you leave your comment, when you like, you give me the inspiration to continue. So let's move into the next recipe. For this recipe, we need 3 eggs. For this recipe, we are going to use just the white egg. Let's add salt, white pepper, and mix it. Into the frying pan, we add a little bit of olive oil and fry the egg white. On the rice cakes, let's put some mustard. Now let's put our fried egg, some parsley on the top. Now our recipe is ready. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, click on this video, how to lose weight by eating oatmeal. I will see you into the next video. Don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye. Ciao.